Ozzy's gonna be a year old soon, and he's currently in training, and we're trying to get him to pee on the pee pad. With that comes a little bit of accidents.
I had this thing that you put in the back seat so to prevent them from scratching the seat or messing things up. I kept it in my bag for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks after our hike, and the smell that came out of there was horrible.
We found she's acquired a taste for any underwear she can get her hands on, and we don't only find out until maybe a day or two later when Kiwi regurgitates it.
At Chemical Guys, we're known for making premium car care products, so we know a thing or two about cleaning up life's little spills. And as pet parents ourselves, we get it.
We're known for our premium car care products, but we're also pet parents, and our favorite journeys have a furry four-legged friend in our passenger seat. That's why we've created this line of pet products to help keep your spaces spotless, whether you're in your car, at home, or anywhere you find yourself enjoying time with your tail-wagging wingman. First, I'm going to introduce you to Furbidden. Beyond having an amazing name, Furbidden is effective at removing stubborn stains from fabric, carpet, and upholstery. Furbidden works by reaching deep into those surfaces to dissolve and lift dirt and stains like those from urine, vomit, and more. To use, shake the bottle well. For lighter stains, simply spray onto the surface to be treated and then wipe away. For moderate stains, spray onto the surface to be treated and then agitate gently with a brush. Finally, blot and wipe the area with a microfiber towel and allow it to air dry. For even deeper cleaning, Furbidden can be used with an extractor machine. Next, let me introduce you to 𝗀𝗄𝗄 Pet Odor Eliminator. 𝗀𝗄𝗄 helps easily banish pet odors to the doghouse by eradicating them right at their source, instead of just masking them. 𝗀𝗄𝗄 Pet Odor Eliminator is specially formulated to penetrate deep into surfaces to neutralize even the most pungent, persistent pet smells and leave them a refreshing, light citrus scent. To use, simply shake the bottle well and spray 4 to 6 times where odors originate. Do not spray directly onto surfaces like plastic, paintwork, or hard surfaces, as it may leave an unwanted residue. Also, do not spray directly onto pets. Finally, we have the Furrocious Pet Drying Towel. Furrocious is huge, measuring 25 inches by 36 inches, and is made from super soft, ultra-absorbent premium microfiber able to hold up to a gallon of water. It easily wraps around your pup and gets them dry in no time. It also features gentle, soft touch edges, so your pooch gets the most comfortable drying experience ever. Furrocious is machine washable and ideal to wash with our microfiber wash. So thanks so much for checking out our pet care line. We'll see you on the next one.
Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you, sir.
Little beans. I love the beans. Okay, you ready?
Bro, he wants the llama right there, so can I take that down?